He's not feeling good? So faz carinho nele.
Ela fez carinho.
You wanna give him a kiss? Shay. You wanna give him a kiss so you feel better? Give him a kiss.
Oh, thank you. Purple and orange spider. How nice. I like purple and orange spiders. I was afraid of spiders, but I'm not now. They're nice. Are they nice spiders?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See the purple and orange.
Oh, okay.
Look.
Let me see. It looks so nice.
No, Shay, I'm making a movie. A little movie. Você quer dançar Xuxa pra eu fazer um little movie? Go get vovó pra pegar o da Xuxa. Go get it.